Hello to all my dears. Again, I am here with the next section of Microsoft Word, which is Design Tip. Hope to be useful and follow me up to the end. For more videos, subscribe the channel and like the. Let's start from Design Tip. Here you can see Design Tip, and all this content are about Design Tip. Inside the Design tab you can see document formatting, and inside the document formatting you can see themes. So let's see what are themes. First of all, let's have a paragraph, or let's have some paragraphs, and then enter. Now here you can see some paragraphs, and I want to apply some themes to this paragraph. For example, there are different themes that you can use, and for example, I want to use this themes to my paragraph, and from here you can save the current theme, which means you can save this theme, and you can reuse this theme and save. Now where do you want to save this? I want to save this theme here in desktop by the name of theme 1, and save this. Now the theme is saved. Here you can see theme 1, and for the next time if you want to use that theme, so browse for them. When you browse, select the place of that theme, and from here you can choose theme 1 and open that will be applied. And the next one is this designs or this styles for themes. First of all, let me have to have a title. For example, video is the title of this paragraphs, and I want to apply some style to this. For example, I want to apply this style. Now again, come to Design tab, and from here you can change the format. Which format do you want? And there are different formats that you can use. For example, I want this format, and whenever you reset to the default style sheet, and this format will become the default style for you, and from here you can save this style. Click save as, and where do you want to save this? For example, I want to save this on the desktop by the name of new style, and then save. And you can use this style here. The new style is created. From here you can choose theme color. For example, I want to choose this color, or no, I want to choose this color, and there are different colors that you can use for your themes. From here you can customize the color. For example, for the text background I want red, that's okay, and from here you can choose different colors for text. This one, no, this one, and save. That style will be applied for you. Here you can see, and here you can choose font for your theme. For example, I want this font or not this font, and there are different fonts that you can use for your theme. Which one is better? This one is better. And from here you can customize the font as well. Click here, and for your heading, font heading, for example, I want to choose this, and for body font I want to choose this one, and then save. That style or that font applied to this text. And from here, paragraph spacing, you can choose the space between paragraphs. How? From here, lines, no paragraph space. There will not be any space between paragraphs. Here you cannot see any space between paragraphs. And compact, a little paragraph, tight, open, relaxed, and you can choose any of them. For example, I want to choose pen. This one is okay for me. From here you can customize how. For example, select font. From here you want to for example, heading. From here you can choose the size that's correct, and font color. From here you can choose font color. I want to choose this one. And from paragraph position, left, right, from here you can align, and you can choose any setting, and you can set that for your paragraphs. Click OK, and the paragraph color and font, all of these are changed. Whenever you click to the set as default, this style will become the default style for your paragraphs. From here you can choose a watermark. Here click and you can see these watermarks here, and you can use them. For example, I want to choose this watermark, and here you can see a watermark, and it's the watermark. Now is the watermark. From here you can custom watermark. If you click no watermark, there will not be any watermark. So watermark cleaned and removed from this page. Again, come to custom watermark, and from here you can choose a picture as your watermark. And if you don't want picture, and come to here and click text watermark. From here you can choose the watermark in language. For example, I want this to be language, and from here you can add your text. Which text do you want to be as your watermark? And here are different texts. For example, I want to write here TTech, and the font. From here you can select the font of this watermark. For example, I want to choose, here are different fonts that you can use. I want this one. From here you can choose the watermark color. I want to choose this color. And do you want to be diagonal or no horizontal? I want to be diagonal, and apply. Okay, here you can see the watermark TTech, and it's diagonal, and the color and all this. If you don't want diagonal, so come to custom watermark, and from here you can choose horizontal and then apply. Now it's horizontal watermark for your page. The next one is page color. From here you can change the page color. For example, these are the different colors that you can use for your page color. I want this page color, for example, this is better. And from here you can have more color, set color here, customize color. And for example, no, I want this color. Click here, and from here you can set which color do you want. For example, I want this color, and you can see the new color is the current color. Here is the current color, and the new color will be this color. And click OK. That color applied to this page. Again, fill effect. From here you can choose more colors. For example, if you want to use only one color in your page, so click one color. If you want to have two colors from in this page, you can choose two colors. And first color, I want to be this color, and the second color, this one. Or no, it's not better. Let's choose a better color. think that it's better. And and you can see these colors, choose them, and there will be the sample that you shows for you that sample will be applied to that page, and from horizontal, or no, you want to be a vertical, diagonal, up, and these are the standard styles that you can use. For example, I want this style, and let's choose them. This is okay, and then okay. Now you can see that style is applied to your page. And this was about the color. Now come to page border. From here you can select page border for your page. Let's see, now you can have a border to the top of the page, a bottom color border to the top bottom of your page, to the left of your page, to the right of your page. From here you can select that this border should be applied to the whole document, or not only to this section, first page only, this section all except first page, or I want to choose whole document. And also you can choose the style of the border. There are different styles that for your border. For example, I want to choose this border, and from here you can see the color of the border. For example, I want to choose this color, and from here you can set the weight of the border. This is better. And there are different arts that you can use as your border. So now let's have this border, and okay, now you can see that border here, the border applied to your page. But sometimes I want to use this arts as a border. For example, let's find a better one. I want this to be as a border. This was about design tip. Hope to be useful. Thanks for following me up to the end.